Alright guys, welcome back to the Task Force Off-Road. I'm here in a body shop because I have a buddy from high school that I've been recently talking back to again, and he hooked me up with this space. I'm super stoked about it because he runs the shop. One of his painters has been helping me out today, giving me some solid tips. I just laid the sealer, so I'm going to put that clip in after this. But before, I'm also going to throw in some wet sanding clips as well, guys. So I'm super excited for this. Hope you tune in, because I'm excited for this one, and I hope you are too. It's gonna be a good one.
Like, yeah, sealer is on. No skate to put it on. Just don't let it be like that.
Alright guys, so coat 1 of color down. It's going down really great. I'm seeing some imperfections from the primer, but that's fine. This is a learning process. I can fix that stuff later. It doesn't need to be 100% right now, but I do want it to look 99% good for my first paint job. So I want to see what I can do.
And now coat number 2.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt, but you're okay. You learned from your mistakes. Your friends back in high school, we thought we were so cool. We'd steal Jack, my dad's stash, and drink the whole night through. The first time you first moved, dad's new job, a new roof, new student, made new friends, a new start, a new you. I guess things could be worse. Dad's in sales and my mom is a nurse. Yeah, family comes first. Remember all the good and forget about the worst. Yeah, some things will burn and others will hurt, but you can make it work. Yeah.
All right, it's time to throw in some clear.
That I like living in the past. It makes me thankful for everything I have. Yeah, every time that I laugh, it makes me grateful for the present and the past. Yeah, don't live life too fast. Take it all slowly and you can make it last. Yeah, keep all the friends that you had back in your math class. You'll be glad that you have them when you look back. Look back, look back, look back, look back, look back, look back.
Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. The paint came out amazing. And if you don't believe me, let's look at it next to the Jeep. It's gonna look fantastic. So Necto's in the garage right now, and we're about to put these things on, but you guys are gonna have to wait to see that until the next episode. I'll see you in the next one. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and peace.
It's that time that you got caught. You snuck out and forgot. Your parents were so mad, but man, she was so hot. That time you got too drunk. The first time you blew chunks. It's okay, we all drank too much when we're too young. The first time you held hands. Your first time in romance. You thought you had no chance, but still asked her